Behold, these delicate baked apple boats, cradling a rich velvety egg. Welcome, dear friends, to the tranquil kitchen of Cooking Tips 5S. Sometimes, when hunger strikes and waiting for delivery feels far too long, we simply open our pantry. By gathering just a few fresh apples, potatoes, and farm-fresh eggs, we can transform them into two incredibly convenient, quick, yet restaurant-quality morning delights. Let us begin. Dish 1. Effortless baked apple and egg boats. We begin by gently simmering 2 whole, pristine apples until they reach a perfect tenderness, before transferring them into a crisp, cool bath. With a precise blade, we slice a delicate layer off the top of each apple, immediately resting the cut fruit in a soothing saltwater bath to preserve its flawless, vibrant hue. Using a spoon, we meticulously hollow out the centres, crafting exquisite little boats. We shall set this sweet, scooped flesh aside for another culinary moment. Now we seamlessly crack a farm-fresh egg, letting it slip effortlessly into each awaiting vessel. A gentle dusting of fine sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper awakens the flavours. We scatter a handful of finely diced apples over the top, crowning our creation with a luxurious, velvety blanket of melting cheese. We place these masterpieces into the air fryer. The process is wonderfully effortless. As they emerge, The gentle heat has coaxed the cheese into a bubbling golden brown embrace, perfectly enveloping the rich, silken egg nestled within. What could be more comforting for a hungry soul than savouring this tender, deeply flavourful baked apple boat? As we leisurely await our next creation, the Cooking Tips 5S kitchen is curious. Are you drawn to the wholesome comfort of baked whole fruit treats? Or do you passionately crave the pillowy softness of savoury mashed delights? Leave a comment below to share your palate's preferences. Dish 2. Express Stovetop Potato and Egg Pizza. Taking our prepared velvety potato flesh, we mash it until it achieves absolute smoothness to craft our second comforting dish. We fold a spoonful of pristine white flour into the mash, introducing 2 golden luminous eggs. A splash of creamy milk is poured in for richness, followed by a spoonful of sweet brown sugar and a delicate whisper of condensed milk. With a wooden spoon, we stir rhythmically until the mixture gracefully unites into a flawless, silky ribbon. Igniting the stove, we drop a pat of unsalted butter into a square pan. Listen closely to the gentle sizzle as the butter slowly melts, releasing an intoxicating, irresistible aroma throughout the kitchen. We slowly pour the potato batter, letting it spread evenly across the pan, and cover it briefly. Upon lifting the lid to turn our creation, the base has already donned a magnificent, perfectly caramelized golden crust. Now, we scatter a handful of finely diced potatoes and cascade an abundance of pristine mozzarella cheese over the surface. We cover it once more, simply waiting for the gentle heat to coax the cheese into a glorious melting finish. We delicately slice into the warm, fragrant crust. The cheese forms an endless, mesmerizing stretch, while the harmonious notes of buttery milk and potato melt instantly on the tongue. As you can see, with just a few familiar ingredients readily available in your kitchen sanctuary, there is no need for laborious kneading or endless waiting. We can effortlessly craft these pillowy, cheese-pulling masterpieces to reward ourselves. Wishing you meals filled with warmth and convenience, and we look forward to seeing you again in the next healing corner of the Cooking Tips 5S kitchen.